My dear students in India, I am Giovanni Schiaparelli, astronomer, dreamer, and humble mapmaker of the planet Mars. As a young boy growing up in Italy, I often gazed up at the night sky and wondered, what stories are hidden in those shimmering dots? My heart leaned not toward conquest or riches, but toward understanding. That longing drew me to the Brera Observatory in Milan, where I would spend countless nights peering through a simple refracting telescope, charting the rusty face of our neighboring planet, Mars. In 1877, when Mars came especially close to Earth, I was ready. Through my telescope, I observed striking lines and features that seemed to connect darker regions. Natural channels, or as I called them in my native tongue, canali. But a curious twist of language sent that word across oceans as canals, and soon the world believed I had seen grand waterways built by intelligent Martians. Though my meaning was misunderstood, the fire it lit in human imagination could not be contained. But I did not work in isolation. I followed a path paved by giants. Christian Huygens, the brilliant Dutchman, had already sketched Syrtis Major, the very feature I too observed. He even estimated the Martian day with astounding accuracy. Then came William Herschel, who looked farther still, identifying the polar ice caps of Mars and dreaming, as I did, that it might resemble Earth in its seasons and climates. Among my peers was the insightful Angelo Secchi, another Italian mind who first spoke of canali. I merely mapped them in greater detail and gave them names: Hellas, Elysium, Syrtis Major, names still found on our Martian maps today. And after me came those who carried the torch forward. Percival Lowell, inspired by my drawings, built an entire observatory to study Mars. He believed passionately in Martian civilizations, and though he was wrong, he reminded us of the power of belief to drive exploration. Eugene Antoniadi brought clarity with better instruments. During the opposition of 1909, he revealed that my canali were not great trenches, but illusions, evidence not of life, but of the limits of human vision and imagination. And then, dear children, came the great age of machines. NASA's Mariner, Viking, Curiosity, and even Perseverance, rolling over Martian soil, fulfilling the dreams we once only sketched on paper. What a marvel! To think that my modest telescope, pointed through an Italian night sky, could be part of this immense human journey, from myth to machine, from wonder to knowledge. So here I stand before you, not to be admired, but to remind you, even a mistaken map can lead to truth. Even an error can spark a revolution. Every eye lifted to the sky carries the legacy of those who dared to ask, what if? May your generation look to the stars, not just with instruments, but with imagination, courage, and curiosity. Grazie, and Chai Vigyan.